Hello YouTube, let's talk about some fragrances. Today we have a sample of L'artisan perfumes, Mon Numero 10. Where's Mon Numero 1 through 9? I have no idea. This is the only one I've ever seen, though I haven't looked too hard. Maybe it's one that maybe I've seen a bunch more and they just didn't strike me as ones I really wanted to try. But this one is a Bertrand Duchefort. So, oh my goodness, he made Zing? Timbuktu? No, he did their oud. I don't remember the name of it, but L'Artisan's oud, whatever that one is called, is a Duchefort. And Homage Jubilation 25 for men is another Duchefort. He's got that incense over so there's the frankincense and then like a dried fruits or roses or things of that jammy. He's got a flavor to all of his fragrances. They all have, when you smell one and you find out it's his, you're like, oh yeah, that makes sense. So this is a Duchefort. I wanted to try it because of that. And it's all in French. I can't read a word of it. So spray it on here and see what it goes. Sample's okay. These ones are pretty good, and they have a good amount of juice in them. You know, a couple milliliters. I probably used half of it. I didn't get much in there. Okay. Okay. So it's a super nice. I haven't smelled it in a while, so. Cardamom, spicy cardamom, incense. There's some kind of fruit here. I don't know what that is. And then dried department store florals. I mean, it's got aldehydes in it. Number 5, everybody, you know what aldehydes are, and they give lift. Sparkle and but it's less like a glare. It's less like a Christopher Nolan sunspot, and more like a glitter painted thing. Like the sparkles are in a smaller contained. Yeah, some sort of booze, which could be smoky amber, they say. What do we got? Smoky, let's look at some of these notes here. I need to look at this. What? Aldehyde, vanilla, pink pepper. Pink pepper is probably some of the sweetness I'm smelling in here. Cardamom. Oh, cinnamon. This must be a sweet cinnamon, like a phenyl aldehydes, cabruva, whatever cabruva is. Leather, geranium, rose. I mean, it's got a million. Oh, heliotrope, huh? Hyrax? I don't know. Hyrax and Styrax. So Hyrax is sometimes called African stone, and it's going to be like a ossified, pissy stone nature. It's going to smell like old, less animalic. It can be a replacement for civet, so it can be pissy. I don't get a lot of that here. This almost could go with a potpourri type thing. Do you like when you go to a old store that has the like a drugstore that's got the little figurines and a little, and you're like, why would anybody buy any of this stuff? That smell of the old flowers, and like it's got to have, so cinnamon is in there, and because it's left over from like Christmas in the floor. It's cinnamon and florals and pink pepper, and it's an interesting blend. Let's see what kind of looks like I didn't really get great performance out of it. In my notes here, it says it didn't stay very much. It's not very full bodied. It does remind me of Metalik from Tom Ford, which is a great example of aldehydes and vanilla. And this has got both of those. So, I mean, those aldehydes really are coming out. And I guess this could probably just be classified as Ducheffer's aldehydic fragrance. So, my Numero 10, Largison Perfumers.